We are now at DEFCON 2.
What the devil is going on, Lieutenant?
He's surfaced, Mr. President. I'm sure you all recognize this man. They've constructed some sort of device there.
What kind of device?
Perhaps I can explain, Mr. President. No tricks, Mr. President. In a few moments, I will unleash a tidal wave of psychic energy designed to dominate the minds of an entire planet. There will be no more free will, only my will.
The war's over. Can't we all just get along? What if I was to give you a full presidential pardon? Your country needs a leader. It could be you.
Why should I be content to lead one nation if I can control the whole world, Mr. President?
You can't threaten us. We're the most powerful nation on Earth. We did win the war, you know.
Mag-iingat kayo. Huwag din yung galitin ng anak. Baka totohanin ko yung sinasabi niyong pindutin ko yung vibrator ng sanlibutan.
Mr. President, something's happening. The device is beginning to deploy.
Call in an airstrike. I want that tower taken out.
Command, this is Mojo 1. We are on station.
Roger, Mojo 1. Target is located on Alcatraz Island, Vector 270 at 10 miles.
Sir, kamao ka mo sayaw? Kamao, oy.
Engage! Engage!
Kamay.
Mojo 2 is down.
Mr. President, we're detecting huge shockwaves of energy across the globe.
My God. That maniac's really going to do it. May God help us all.
Sinigawan ko yung lindol. Nung gumano na yung mga chandelier ko, stop! Sabi ko na stop! Stop ka agad. Sabi ni Sterlet, oo nga no. Let sinibas. Nagapats. Pats! Yan ka bas. Pats! Okay lang na siya may ano na bungot. Londil mo yung ngawagin.